In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your stocks off Cash App and transfer them to Robinhood. The process is pretty simple, but you'll need to make sure you have both accounts ready before you start. So let's get into it. First, make sure you have the latest version of the Robinhood app installed on your phone. Open the app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap the little person icon in the bottom right corner of the screen to access your account page. Then, tap the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, select Transfers. Now, choose the option that says Transfer Accounts into Robinhood. This is the feature that lets you move stocks from another brokerage, like Cash App, into your Robinhood account. Next, Robinhood will ask for some details about the brokerage you're transferring from. In this case, you'll need to enter Cash App Investing LLC as the name of the brokerage. You'll also need your Cash App investing account number. To find that, open your Cash App, tap the profile icon in the top right corner, scroll down to Documents, then tap Brokerage Statements. Open any recent statement and you'll see your account number listed at the top. Once you've entered your Cash App account information, Robinhood will guide you through verifying the details. Make sure everything is correct. If there's any mistake, the transfer might get delayed. After the verification is done, you can choose whether to transfer all of your stocks or just specific ones. Once you confirm, the transfer request will be submitted. Typically, it takes about 5 to 7 business days for your stocks to move from Cash App to Robinhood. During this time, you won't be able to trade those stocks until the transfer is complete. If you run into any issues or the transfer doesn't go through, you can reach out to either Cash App or Robinhood support. Both have in-app help sections where you can contact their support teams directly. And that's it. That's how you transfer your stocks from Cash App to Robinhood quickly and safely. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.